Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Manju here and I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So here you are going to learn a lot of many things here about ETL testing, SQL queries and Informatica. A lot of videos are here what I made. So if you want any clear idea about ETL testing, so you can go through my videos. You will get very informational videos about in my channel. Okay, so we are going to discuss here in this video is about to manual testing. So what exactly the manual testing, what we are doing in manual testing. Okay, so some people are asking me to make on a video on manual testing, so we are going to discuss about those things here. So if you not subscribe to SQL Master, you can subscribe to SQL Master to get more knowledge about ETL testing. So let us start the video. So here what I want to show you, manual testing. So see, manual testing is manually we have to test the applications or software. So as consider any one software like for example MS Word. Assume that some company given you this software which is already developed by developers which we need to test. Okay, what you test here you can see here in below picture. So in picture you can observe that many tabs are present here like file, home, and insert, okay, draw and design, layout, references, mailings, review, weave. Okay, so all these, okay, tabs, menus, and within the home menu we are getting paste and format painter. Okay, so bold, underline, and text font sizes, and the center alignment and the left alignment, right alignment. So all these features we have to test whether those are working properly or not. So this is what main intensity of software testers. So, as in above picture, in MS Word, there are a lot of tabs, menus, and many more options to test, which is already developed by developer. Okay. So, like home, insert, draw, design. Within these options, there are again many options called as ribbons. So, all we need to test. If I click insert and next, if I click table in MS Word, table has to appear on my screen. Appear. So, if appear, then it is correct. If not appear, then it's fail. Condition we have to take artifacts and screenshot, and in management tool we have to raise the bug to developers by mentioning issues like this. For each and every parts of the software we have to test. This applies in Android app testing also. Okay, so here it comes to the types of testings. So unit testing, what do you mean by unit testing? Tested by developers while developing or after developing software or applications. Each unit or code blocks need to be tested by developer, called unit testing. Second one is smoke testing, means all main features need to be tested. And third one is sanity test, all main features need to be tested in depth. And functional testing, in each unit or block need to be tested to confirm whether individual block of code are working or not properly. Okay, so fifth one is system test, whole software or application need to be tested to ensure all units working with each other properly. Then only we will get output result. Sixth one is integration test. So by combining more than one unit, testing is called as integration testing. Okay. So what do you mean by retesting? After fixing bug issues by developer, tester again need to test the particular unit or whole system is called as retesting. Eighth one is regression testing. If any modification done in any of part of the unit or block, then tester again test the system or block is called as retesting, regression testing. Okay. So ninth one is UAT testing. So this is end user testing. End users test the software or application is called as UAT testing. If issue is found, then again tester need to be tested properly. Okay. So this is what the thing. And for websites, how manual testing is done. For example, you are getting one website to test from login to all tabs in that website. So each and everything we have to test. First go to the website and then click on login. Then login page must be open. Otherwise, you need to raise the bug report to the developer. Then login password conditions you have to test. Whether parameters to use login like username password must be containing one capital letter, one number at least, or alphanumerical must use. Okay, what developer conditions has to put there, we have to test. So all these need to be used properly. And we can take a model of car here. So to define the testing. So there are some priority must be given for testing. Very urgent means if car steering is not working. Urgent means brakes are not working. Medium means headlight is not turning on. Less means gear is not working. So like this, we have to provide some severity to developers. If we get issues according to this severity, developers set priority to develop the code or to recheck the code. But here, for each and everything, we must have to take screenshot after testing, and documents play a very important role in testing. The documentation is very important here in ETL. So we have to maintain a lot of documents here. Okay. So you may get applications or software to test like hotel management software, airline software, any banking software. Those software we need to test and deliver that to client after successful testing. So, friends, this is what the things what I want to show you here. So, what is actually the manual testing is? Okay, so there will be not any automation. Okay, in automation testing, we have to write one script and most commonly testing procedures, and those we just for initial steps. For one time, we have to test manually, and then we can set for automation. So, for but in manual testing, it's time consuming, but human verification and each and everything are very accurate in manual testing. So many of the companies are still following manual testing. So this is what they think here. If you want more knowledge on ETL testing or manual testing or like Informatica or SQL queries, almost all of the SQL queries videos I already made here in my channel. Those are asking in interviews. Okay, so go through my videos, my channel videos. You are getting very useful informational videos here. So I hope you understood this video properly, and I will be with you with some more special videos in my next videos. Till that, bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care, friends. Thank you. Bye bye.